7 reasons why you should eat an entire avocado every day. Nutritious, versatile, and delicious, avocados have become a kitchen staple in many homes around the world. While some people refer to avocados as fruits, and some people say they're a vegetable, avocados are actually considered berries. They're a member of the Lariaceae plant family, which also includes the cinnamon tree. Avocados are native to Mexico and Central America, but they are cultivated in many areas of the world, including North America. In the United States, California is the top producer of avocados and is home to more than 5,000 avocado farms, which generate over 400 million pounds of avocados each year. These fruits are an important part of traditional Mexican, Central American, and South American cuisine and are used in dishes like guacamole, salads, tacos, and more. Avocados are extremely popular in the health and wellness world because they're highly nutritious and have been linked to several health benefits. This video lists 7 benefits of eating avocados, including more about nutrition, weight loss, and how to enjoy them. 1. Excellent source of nutrients. Avocados are rich in many nutrients, including fiber, healthy fats, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B6, potassium, magnesium, and folate. Enjoying them regularly could help improve overall diet quality. 2. Beneficial for gut health. Avocados are rich in fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. Some evidence suggests that consuming avocados may benefit the health of the gut by improving bacterial diversity and reducing fecal bile acid concentration. 3. May help reduce heart disease risk factors. Avocados may help increase levels of heart protective HDL cholesterol and decrease levels of oxidized LDL cholesterol, a type of cholesterol that's significantly associated with atherosclerosis, or the accumulation of plaque along artery walls. 4. A rich source of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds. Avocados are an excellent source of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds like vitamin C, vitamin E, and the carotenoid lutein. 5. May help promote a healthy body weight. Following a diet high in fiber has been associated with body weight maintenance. Some studies suggest that avocados may help improve satiety, enhance weight loss, and reduce belly fat. However, many of these studies are funded by the Has Avocado Board, which may have influenced study results. 6. A smart choice during pregnancy and breastfeeding. During pregnancy and breastfeeding, your need for many nutrients significantly increases. Enjoying avocados is a smart way to get enough of certain vitamins and minerals like folate, potassium, vitamin C, and vitamin B6. 7. Versatile and delicious ingredient. Avocados can be incorporated into both sweet and savory recipes like smoothies, desserts, soups, salads, and burritos. They can also be enjoyed on their own with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Avocados contain an impressive amount of nutrients and are especially rich in fiber, B6, vitamin C, potassium, vitamin E, folate, and copper. Eating avocados regularly may benefit health in several ways, including protecting against heart disease, improving overall diet quality, improving satiety, and promoting gut health. Plus, they're versatile and delicious.